Hello, Jennie Rayment. I was very lucky the other day to get hold of this new template. This is the Maltese cross acrylic tool, and it's actually a real delight to use. It's a template that comes in 3 separate pieces, and these pieces will go together to make the design we have on the front here. Now, this particular template has an added bonus, because not only do you get the 3 sections with their seam allowance added, inside the leaflet is the pattern. Because the nice thing about the template being clear is you can place it exactly on the fabric and cut out the right section. This one I just went for colour, and you've got a variety of different crosses there just fitted together. Cut round it, you'll need one of those. The design will be laid out something like this. That will go in the centre. You will have 4 sections, north, south, west and east. And then there will be the corner pieces.